take your seats.
Full of lizards here. I like that. Yeah.
Who's that man?
I'm filming that lizard there.
From all the way up.
Driving in paradise. Only green, baby. Green, green, green. This is how paradise looks like, huh? Yeah, me in Jamaica. Oh fuck, I thought. Wow, in the car in paradise. Yeah. With an island girl. Of course, she's my driver. Yeah. But I pay her good then. Yeah. No, it's not. I pay her with love. So I'm not going to tell you where I am, but I am in paradise. Far from Holland, far from the cold, far from the rain, very close to the police, as you can see. You see all the beaches, all the trees. Yeah, people, look! I'm in paradise. I'm at the beach, the sweet beach. Yeah. Nice, voila. You see? Paradise. Good morning, everybody. I'm down from the Netherlands, Eindhoven. I went to Ghana a few times, see some good vibes there, some good Ghana artists. Especially Shatta Wale, I like his vibes, his music. I'm in Jamaica now, enjoying the sun, being in paradise. Can't wait for the album Reggae Vaccine to drop tomorrow. Can't wait to get it. Julian Marley's on it, Shatta Wale. Yeah, I can't wait, people. Go get it. Bless up. Good morning, everybody. Well, I'm here to explain. Everybody's keep asking me, why did I become a Muslim? Because for them, the white Christianity, it's normal and all-powerful to be a white Christian. But that's all not true. Not at all. So, people ask me why I became a Muslim, for several reasons. First of all, Jesus or Isa is not a child of God. Because if God is all powerful, he's not a child and he don't have any children. That is not possible. There's no logic in that, you see. And of course I want to find love, peace and happiness. Something I couldn't find in Christianity. Because the Christians claimed for years now that Muslims are terrorists. They show it in Hollywood, in the movies, they show it in the media, everywhere. Even they make cartoons with that, things like that. That's not a freedom of speech. That's just white Christianity wanting to rule the world. They did that more than 400 years ago. They go to Africa, they colonize, they enslave, they they come with their racism. And it's still going on like that. And people don't see that. People have to wake up. Me, I'm a white man. Do you see my background? I'm not in the white man's world, and I will never ever go back to the white man's world, because the white man's world is a world of the devil. And all who follow them, they will find out soon. That's just the way it is. Then, my country, and the countries surrounding it, Western Europe, they all have a problem with the Islam. They claim Islam is terrorist, blah blah blah. But they never point at themselves. And even all of us know this is not the Islam. Because a real Muslim don't do those things. The Islam is a more peaceful religion than Christianity. It's just that these white Christians think white Christianity is all powerful and want to take over the world like that. They destroyed more religions in the past. That is something that is very true. So the terrorists are actually the white Christians. Yeah, because they did it for more than 400 years ago. Even in the half 1800s, they even took the there my phone go. They even took the Los Angeles from the Chicanos. So, but freedom of speech is also something that doesn't exist in the Western world. The only one who has freedom of speech in the Western world is the white Christianity, because they can say whatever they want, they can do whatever they want. White Christians can even go to a mosque, shoot a lot of people, and still media all around the world will just say the person was confused. Even churches in Holland, they attack people. It's all good, it's all well, go on with that. Why? And then when a Muslim fart, by coincidence, all Muslims are a terrorist. No, there's nothing correct about this. These white European leaders, they are all the terrorists. Obama was a terrorist. Donald Trump was a terrorist. Even Bush and now Biden and Harris are the terrorists. Because they are all ruling the most terroristic country in the world. And the most hated country in the world. Because they claim they're everything. They think they're everything because they lie. They never won the Cold War. They're the ones bringing Ebola. They're the ones bringing Corona. But it's always easy as an American country to point with your finger so that the world will follow you. But those days are over, United States of America, because people are waking up. And within 15 years, your country will be destroyed either from the inside or from the outside, because you, America, are making too much enemies. That's just the way it is. And then you have these people from Black Lives Matters. They follow a group called BLM, Black Lives Matters, raised by a white racist. All what Black Lives Matters do, if the white man would do them, they would call them racist. So what's Black Lives Matter? Also racist, because all lives matter. All of them. Yellow, brown, green, all of them. You see? So These people have to understand. They can make riots, they can destroy, but they will never ever make a change. Because the United States, the United Kingdom, the Western European countries, their foundations are based on colonization, slavery and racism. That can never change. The only way, if these black people want to change, is they should really show they care. Not like Beyonce, Kanye West, all these motherfuckers with their money acting like they care. They don't care. If they really care, they would be in Africa spending their money there to make Africa big and let America go down. Because Africa can and will always be bigger than America and Europe together. But it's the black man that needs to think that they need the white man. Africa, Caribbean, Asia. You guys don't need the white man needs you. If the white man didn't need you, then why did Gaddafi get killed? Then why did Saddam Hussein get killed? Because they didn't give what the white man wanted. You see, Gaddafi was building up Africa. Who killed him? America. Yeah, because America can't stand if something is getting bigger than them. Because they will lose their world power. That's just the way it is. And, oh yeah, President of France, Emmanuel Macron. Let me talk freedom of speech, okay, motherfucker? For me, tu, Emmanuel Macron, tu es un grande salopette, un grande fils de pute, et le grande raciste. Tu généralises tout l'islam, mais tu, le blanche chrétienne, c'est le raciste. Ah oui, fils de pute. And you too, Geert Wilders, even Biden and Harris, they're fucking racist because they stand on top of the country that killed all foreign people that were real there and took over. None of them is real. And now they even want to colonize another planet. People wake up. You all black Americans, all of you are brainwashed and fucked up because you don't know what's going on in this world. You all think your country is so good. You all complain, but you don't want to change. If you want to change, make the change yourself and stop voting. Voting is voting for the devil. Every country that wants to make a change, stop voting. All of you. Me, I will never go back to my country. I distance me from my country. I'm a white. I was born in the Netherlands, born as a Christian. I'm not in the Netherlands again. I want to take my nationality and I took my Christianity because me, I step away from Satan. Let me tell you something. From the thousands of people that I know, also thousands of them turned into the devil towards me when I told them I became a Muslim. And I know why, because Satan don't like when you handle with God. That's why these people don't like that. And I will say it one more time again. Black lives matters. All lives matters. Okay? And if you really want to change, then do it. And don't destroy, because you're just feeding the white racist mouth. And then I have one more message. Quasi. In Holland, you Ghana boy. Stop with what you are doing, because you think you are doing good. You're putting a shame on the black person's name, okay? Stop with that, because, trust me, maybe in Holland some blacks are following you, but I know many blacks in Africa, South America that don't like what you are doing, because you give them a bad name. So, Quasi, Jai, Hunte, Jai, I'm serious, Quasi. Quasi, Talea Dekman, Tira Dixon. Those are radical people that destroy the name of the blacks while they say they protect them. And they will call me a racist for saying that, while actually they work with the racist. Because they even want to stay in the country of the racist, they want their money, they want their passport, they want their everything. And me, I step away from that. And I step away from this devilish Christianity, because it's Christians who are the terrorists. And all of you black Christians that follow Christianity, you follow the devil, because all of you were Muslims before the white man entered Africa. Don't forget that. Peace out. Take some night view in paradise. Middle of the night, 2 o'clock, 27 degrees Celsius. Nice. I want to jump in, man, tomorrow. Mosquito Valley. Hey, stay away from me, man. Mosquito Valley. It looks nice though. I understand why the mosquitoes are here with all the green. Morning, people. I don't know if you guys can see how hard it's raining here, but experts say that this type of rain will come to Europe. And see what the small rain has done. And look, if this one will come to Europe. That's why I also left Europe. This one will come to Europe and all of Europe will be flooded. People laugh at me when I said that 2 years ago. And see now, some countries in Europe are already damaged. And they will get damaged more. Just because of this thing of nature. PJ, look! It's good I'm wearing my slippers, huh? This is so crazy shit, brother.
We make them on the fast dog very quickly. Yo, Kevin, big up. 5150. Fort Jenna. Mad. 5150. Hey, Janelle. Shot, shot. I said we in one more 6. I said Chini, I'll pilot the 6. Jeremy, I'll take another 6.
Walk in the early morning. Look. Look where I'm walking. I'm just walking to the bush. Because, you see, there's nothing else around. We're here in Jamaica. Lots of nature. Yeah, okay, actually this is my garden. You see? And here is the line for my laundry. You see, people, that's my laundry line. Yeah, man. Wow. People, as you can see, I'm still in the woods. I'm still in the green, but wait, let me show you.
It's green. It's nice green.
It's raining, so we have to hide a bit.
It's nice green.
Look, I found this in the bush here. I was like, wow, I don't know my road, so tell me. So she's showing me. I don't know why she's taking me back in the bush, by the way.
Oh, it's another rain.
Oh, she say it's because of the rain. Do you guys see rain? Wait. Why can't you see rain on this camera?
It's not pouring really hot, but when you were holding it.
Yay, owl far in the trees. We were just chopping this tree. Oh, wait, we were just chopping this mango tree and the owl went there. Bombo klaar, where is he? Oh, here. There he is. I'm taking all the nature that I see here in Jamaica. Yeah, man, I have to take some little bit nature here. Look at this nice sunset. Only you can't see the blue sky with the camera because of the light. Unfortunately, but you see other nice things. Yeah, nice sunset in Jamaica.
Cool him down.
Cool him down with the water, yeah. Let's see what happens now. If he turns to me, I'm gonna run.
Cool him down, man. Cool. Because he's gone now.
You think he's gone?
Yeah, because he no.
Don't turn him to me, man. If you're gonna sprint, run.
No, he can't run, man. He get weak, you know, because he
Oh yeah. He's too stoned, man. I told you not smoke grabber.
Grabber is a bad stuff.
Yeah, man, the grabber smoked him a bombo.
Grabber lick him chick.
Yeah, man, the grabber lick him up. But if the grabber didn't lick him up, he was gonna lick us up. So yeah, it was either eat or be eaten. It still goes a bit still. Huh? People, look at these ants. There's something bigger than in Europe. Huh? Bombo clad. Look, people.
Red dance, man, red dance. That bite hot.
This one bite hot. You hear that, people? Bombo clad. Look, see you guys. See these fucking big ants. Bombo clad. They're fast, bro. Man, they're 1,000 times bigger than in Europe.
Yes, like. Me and my brother there. We have Jamaican dumpling, home style. Cake I use. Story that, don't you stop. Me na last story video. Yeah, man. A Jamaican flour. You fuck sugar aside. Sugar go in the pot. No lie, salt go in the pot and the sugar make drinks.
Here, water has to go. Bombo. There. Look at this nice fruit. They call sweet sap at Jamaica. Yeah, I know you people think like, hey, what is that? What is that? It's the outside. You have to break it open. It's very sweet. I'm gonna show you guys later. So this is how it looks before I start. Yeah, you can see everything need to clean up. Yes. This is before and later you get the after. Of course I'm gonna clean like that and that needs to be done. I'm gonna clean and make it already look nice. So this is how it looks before you clean one. And then 30 minutes later it looks like this. Yeah, that's one, now another one. This is a baby croc lizard in Jamaica. I don't know why Jamaicans all hate the lizards. This one come in the night, they call it croc lizard. Yeah, a baby one. So I'm busy with cleaning this now. It's full of sand and dirt and shit. Because that pipe is stuck. The toilet is also stuck now. So I have to clean this one so that the other one also is free and goes out. Both of them. Yeah, I'm taking it now. Actually, I'm a bit happy because then after I can also easily more clean inside. But you see, this is the place where I'm staying for now. Yeah, they're working, fixing the roof. All the things, you see. Yeah, man. One room apartment. I'm gonna make this bigger, man. I'm gonna make some blocks myself and build big. Yeah, man. Alright. So you see that? Yeah, man. Jamaican style. Alright people, for me, this is one of the best food in Jamaica, called jerk chicken. How they make it, I guess they something like grill it, they put some spices. The taste is good, but also the chicken is very good. The chicken even is better, the chicken itself is better than any chicken I've eaten in Europe. I'm sorry butchers in Europe, but this chicken in Jamaica is good. I keep saying that from the first day. I really love this food, jerk chicken. Yeah man. See what the guys are doing, so. See Charm, they're doing the bathroom. This is a video how it looks before I clean. Just there, as you can see, I'm gonna clean very carefully because I don't want anything to drop down. And then this is after cleaning. Yeah, that is a part. It won't get clean so fast. Look, the wall, the black is off the wall. The door, yeah, it's difficult to do it. Toilet cleaned well. The flush is good. You see, I put the block in so the water gets blue. You see, it's all clean. Shower curtain. This is after cleaning. Yeah, toilet brush, the plumber. Even to keep the water a bit nice. Yeah, shower curtain, the black, most black that could get off is off. I also want to do the rest of the walls in the apartment. Take it all off, so it's clean before it gets painted. I also took a little off there. Oh people, I don't know why these ants do this. I just see them one by one. They climb all the way up to the candle. When they up, they burn themselves and they fall down. Then the next one go, and the next one, and the next one. Are these kamikaze ants? I don't know what they want. Look. See, some of them are suffering, they already went up. Where's the next one that will go up? See? This one's going up. Oh no, it's going away. Is no one going up now? Come on, show me. Maybe after 3 of them they understand that they should better not go. Maybe that's why. Yeah man, full moon video. Man, looks like the sun though. It looks like the sun. It's the moon. Hey, that circle around it is nice when you zoom in. I didn't know that, man. Yeah, look at the Jamaican moon. Come on, look at this nice sweet sub that is growing here. Why is it the screen showing? Come on, look at this. Yeah, man, look at this sweet sap growing. It's nice, man. Look at this sweet sap. Come absolutely recognize this. It's absolutely. Oh, she's even hearing it because I'm videoing it. It's here, there, but then left. The bumper glass. You see here? A little bit down. Pokemon! Yeah. King size bed. Wait, let me do like this. Cabinet, table. Yeah. Here. Closet, safe. Bathroom. And somebody's killed there. Yeah. Shower. And bath. Yeah, man. Hot water. Look, to sink. It's good, eh? Toilet paper. Do not disturb. Oh yeah, that's my... No, this is not my door. What is here? This is also exit. Oh, what is... Bomboclat. This is funny. A secret door behind a secret door. Alright. This is the water meter in the morning. Okay, so... Here's chopped. Now, there's already no water in the street. The pipe is also closed. But if there's water and I open the pipe, this one will keep spraying water. And here's a small leak. As far as I know, before he even starts to tile, I guess the plumber need to come. And I know about the water because you see, he even closed that. But this one, when just a little water came, it was all spraying here. You see? So that's why I know. Okay, so this is 14, 3 and 11. And then that, I don't know what that is. It looks like a bag of cocaine or something. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there are 10 in. Nice tiles actually, so 90. This is some nice thing, eh? Bomboclat. Yeah, so he's just going, he's coming to the petrol station. So, this is what they have been doing today. You see? This is my toilet now. Why is this so blurry, man? This is my toilet now, so I have to pour water because there's no water. Yeah.